All right, here's 3305 Forest Creek Drive in Fort Worth. Neighborhood's not bad. There's a cul-de-sac down there, so there's no through traffic. Most of the houses are taken care of. There is no HOA, so let's walk the outside of the house real quick first. This is a garage right here with a window, but there's no access from the interior of the home to the window. You do have some repair work that has been done right there on the bricks. The roof looks solid. And side. Let's walk inside. It's a nice, quiet little neighborhood too. Garage door probably just needs some paint. I can't get in there right now to see if it's got an automatic opener or not, but get some more repair work right there. Some more repair work right here. You're gonna need a new fence around this one. Most of the windows look okay except for the garage windows. As we walk in the door, immediately to your left, you have a big living area. There's no fixture or fan or anything in here except for over there, but it's a nice big area. Don't see any evidence of foundation in this room. Problem. Wet bar, dated. We can either update it or take that out. And walk in here. Here's the secondary living area. Again, windows looking good. No evidence of foundation problems in here. This fireplace you could do really good with. It's a really nice looking fireplace. And you have a breakfast nook right here with vaulted ceiling. Uniform flooring throughout this whole area would definitely make it look a lot better. And they have carpet on the outside of that, which is weird. But nice big kitchen to work with. Pretty standard. Put some countertops in. You might be able to paint these cabinets. Put some hardware. That looks to be decent, new. That looks to be okay. Maybe a farm sink, countertops. Let's go in the backyard real quick since we're here. Backyard, you're gonna need a new fence. It's got this dog alley over here that goes all the way to the front. I'll probably take that out. There's a concrete slab back here. I'm not sure what that was for. But pretty standard backyard for the neighborhood. Definitely gonna need new fencing though. And this thing is sagging. Let's go ahead and look at it. Maybe put some cedar posts around here, paint it. Little slab patio right here. Might even deck that, depending on the cost. AC unit looks to be fairly new. But nice little backyard. Two big trees back here to kind of give you a little privacy. Again, I like this area. Didn't take much reconstruction. I wish you could knock this wall out and open up these rooms, but I don't see that happening. Hot water heater. probably need to do one of these, clothes closet. Okay, and then there's the front door. So we walked into this way to this room. And the kitchen was in front of us. And the bed, all the bedrooms are over here. This bedroom doesn't have a fixture or light or fan. But it's a decent sized bedroom for the neighborhood to be the small bedroom. This is your second bedroom. Again, decent sized bedroom. Closet. Look in here. So this bathroom needs to be totally redone, but new vanity, flooring, tile should be good. Got some linen closets right here. Walk into the master. Really nice size master for this neighborhood. It's got two his and her closets. Walk in, both of them. Walk in. This layout or style of bathroom is a little outdated. You could make it nice, or you could cut this off, drywall it, put a nice shower in there, take out this wall, make it one bigger bathroom. But all in all, I mean, pretty easy to flip. They did some work right here. If you see that, it goes all the way down. So I assume that they were covering up some cracks in the sheetrock right there. But all in all, pretty standard little bedroom. And that'll be it for us.